Hello and welcome to Learn English Easily podcast. I am very happy you are here today. In this episode, we will learn phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are very common in English. Native speakers use them every day. If you learn them, your English will sound natural. Many English learners find them difficult, but today we will make them easy. I will explain each phrasal verb slowly. I will also give simple examples. Just relax and listen carefully. Imagine the situations in your mind. This will help you remember better. Let us begin with our first phrasal verb. The first phrasal verb is wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up early. I wake up at 7 every morning. After I wake up, I drink coffee. Many people wake up early for work. Some people wake up late on weekends. The next phrasal verb is get up. Get up means to leave your bed. First, you wake up. Then, you get up from bed. For example, I get up and open the window. My brother gets up very early. Sometimes it is hard to get up. Now let us learn turn on. Turn on means to start a device. For example, turn on the light. It is dark in the room. You can also turn on the computer. Many people turn on the TV. Some people turn on music. The opposite is turn off. Turn off means to stop a device. For example, turn off the TV. Always turn off the lights. This helps save electricity. I turn off my phone at night. Now, let us learn look for. Look for means to search for something. For example, I am looking for my keys. Maybe they are in my bag. She is looking for her phone. Sometimes we look for answers online. The next phrasal verb is find out. Find out means to discover information. For example, I want to find out the truth. She wants to find out the answer. We often find out new things online. Now let us learn pick up. Pick up means to lift something. For example, she picked up the book. The book was on the floor. Please pick up your bag. Pick up also means answer the phone. For example, he picked up the phone. The phone was ringing loudly. Now let us learn put on. Put on means to wear clothes. For example, put on your jacket. It is cold outside today. I put on my shoes before leaving. The opposite is take off. Take off means to remove clothes. For example, he took off his jacket. Many people take off shoes at home. Now let us learn come back. Come back means to return. For example, she will come back tomorrow. He came back late last night. Another phrasal verb is go out. Go out means to leave home. For example, we go out for dinner. Sometimes we go out with friends. Now, let us learn sit down. Sit down means to take a seat. For example, please sit down here. The meeting will start soon. The opposite is stand up. Stand up means to rise to your feet. For example, everyone stood up. The teacher entered the room. Now let us learn look after. Look after means to take care of someone. For example, she looks after the children. Parents look after their kids. Another useful phrasal verb is look up. Look up means to search for information. For example, look up the word. You can use a dictionary. You can also look it up online. Now let us learn give up. Give up means to stop trying. Do not give up learning English. Keep practicing every day. Another useful phrasal verb is work out. Work out means to find a solution. We worked out the problem together. Now let us learn break down. Break down means to stop working. For example, my car broke down. Sometimes machines break down suddenly. Now let us learn check in. Check in means to arrive at a hotel. We checked in at the hotel. The room was comfortable. The opposite is checkout. Checkout means to leave a hotel. We checked out this morning. Then we went to the airport. Now let us learn grow up. Grow up means to become an adult. He grew up in London. Where did you grow up? Another useful phrasal verb is hold on. Hold on means to wait. Hold on for a moment, please. Now let us learn keep on. Keep on means continue doing something. Keep on practicing English daily. Another phrasal verb is move on. Move on means continue to something new. Let us move on to another example. Now let us learn show up. Show up means to arrive somewhere. He showed up late for the meeting. Another useful phrasal verb is speak up. Speak up means talk louder. Please speak up clearly. Now let us learn write down. Write down means record information. Write down the phone number. Finally, we have end up. End up means reach a final result. We ended up at a small cafe. Now let us review some verbs again. Wake up means stop sleeping. Get up means leave your bed. Turn on means start a device. Turn off means stop a device. Look for means search for something. Find out means discover information. Pick up means lift something. Put on means wear clothes. Take off means remove clothes. Come back means return. Go out means leave home. Sit down means take a seat. Stand up means rise to your feet. Look after means take care. Look up means search information. Give up means stop trying. Work out means find a solution. Break down means stop working. Check in means arrive at a hotel. Check out means leave a hotel. Grow up means become an adult. Hold on means wait a moment. Keep on means continue doing something. Move on means continue to next step. Show up means arrive somewhere. Speak up means talk louder. Write down means record information. End up means reach a final result. Great job today. You learned many phrasal verbs. Try to use them every day. Practice speaking every day. Practice makes your English stronger. Little practice brings big progress. Keep listening and learning. Your English will improve step by step. Thank you for listening today. This is Learn English Easily podcast. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next episode.